Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox the Mechanic brand SW-5S pure copper gold plated tin dragging needle and show you what it looks like. This is the Mechanic brand SW-5S tin dragging needle. The needle is made of pure copper with gold plating. The features are uniform and fast, full and tinned, ball head design, simple operation. Gold plated inline seat, tin dragging needle, 5 pieces. Ultra light carbon fiber handle, 1 piece. Let's unpack this. So the main body is made of carbon fiber. That is to reduce electrostatic discharge. And the 5 tips. Each of the 5 tips is made of pure copper with gold plating. That is to ensure the smoothness when dragging the tin solder. The attachment head can be unscrewed. And when it's unscrewed, there is a cylinder with the clamping jaw. So what happens is when it's tightened into the shaft body, the clamping jaw is pulled inwards and that narrows the opening in order to grip the pin. So I'll put a pin in there. Push in and then tighten. So that's now tightened. So this ball head needle is good for tin dragging on flexible printed circuit ports as well as ball grid array chips. I believe the pen weighs 14 grams. I have here the RELIFE RL-001G multifunction maintenance storage container. On the top I have the Mechanic brand Multa SE 6-piece high precision screwdrivers. On the left I have the Mechanic brand KA14 micrometer tipped high precision tweezer. I have the Mechanic brand G11, G15 and G17 high precision tweezers. I have the Mechanic brand SM11, SM17 ceramic tweezers. I have RELIFE brand T2 and ST20 high precision tweezers. And in the right hand side tray I have the RELIFE RL-089 2-piece non-magnetic tin scrapers. I have the Mechanic brand glue removal brushes. One brush has steel bristles and the other brush has main bristles. I have the Mechanic brand GDR2 electric polishing tool which comes with 9 emery grinding tips. I also have the Mechanic brand 9-piece dismantling blades which are conveniently kept in the tray. So now I can add this Mechanic brand tin dragging needle to my collection. I hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.